The question is, what is the Think and Fast Long course about? Okay, when you are fasting, when you're doing an extended water fast, you have a lot of time to think about a lot of things. And the goal, obviously, is to keep the motivation going, keep the commitment so that you push through the days and go as long as the body needs you to go. Now, the longest fast I've done is 17 days. And that's 17 days water only, no solid food. And during that time, I realized there are certain thoughts that work to keep you going on day 1. There are certain thoughts that keep you going on day 5, and those are different from the thoughts that keep you going on day 16. And I keep a journal of everything that I do, all the protocols, even my thoughts. And I think they may be of value to people to hear some of the thoughts on specific days. So what you can do is start the course on a particular day or the day before you're about to do an extended water fast. And then each day you'll be provided with some of the thoughts that helped me through those particular days. And as well as I'll share some of my strategies for helping the time go a little bit faster, strategies for when to start the fast so that the days seem to go a little bit quicker, things that you can do before the fast to cleanse your system sufficiently so that it's actually easier to go through the fast when you're emptier than when you still have some stuff stuck in your system. So Think and Fast Long is a supplement to Fast and Grow Young that you can check out at fastandgrowyoung.com. But I think this course will be helpful to a lot of people. Very affordable, and it's a daily course. Basically, I'll be your coach for the days of the fast. And then at any point during the course, you really feel like you have to end and break the fast, then you can click to jump ahead to the special coaching session for breaking the fast. So hope you find this useful. Talk to you soon.